China's homegrown answer to NVIDIA has posted the kind of numbers that get a company thinking about a second stock listing. Getting you the details right away in just a short while from now, but first, you need to know that the tech circle cannot keep calm. And you might have guessed it right because Cypher 2026 is almost here and you can practically feel the excitement in the air. Join us this October at KTPO Bengaluru for India's largest AI summit. We are counting the days on our fingers and we cannot wait to meet you there. With that being said, let's get back to the story. More Threads is now planning a second stock market listing in Hong Kong after going public in Shanghai in December. The company says that the move will help expand its international presence, attract talent, and strengthen its corporate governance. The exact timing and size of the Hong Kong listing have not really been decided yet. The Beijing-based GPU maker, which listed in Shanghai in December, posted 1.7 billion yuan or $252 million in first half revenue. It was up 147%, while narrowing its net loss to 11.6 million yuan from 271 million yuan a year earlier. More Threads makes GPUs and AI computing systems used for everything from graphics to large-scale AI. Its customers include Chinese enterprises and data center operators. The timing lines up with a red-hot Hong Kong market here. 104 companies have gone public there between January and July, almost double last year's pace. They raised a combined 328 billion Hong Kong dollars, up 154% year-on-year. And Chinese AI companies are already riding that wave. Jipu AI and Minimax, which are two major Chinese model makers, listed in Hong Kong earlier this year and saw strong investor demand. More Threads now wants a piece of that market. Not everyone expects Hong Kong investors to value More Threads the way Shanghai does. Angel investor Guo Tao says a Hong Kong listing would sharply raise the company's global profile, but suggests that its likely valuation could be just 150 to 170 billion yuan. It would be well under its roughly 281 billion yuan Shanghai market cap. More Threads is also riding Beijing's push to replace foreign chips and critical infrastructure. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the front page take on the story. More Threads GPUs made to China's official secure and reliable list in May. It is a certification that steers procurement by government agencies and state-owned enterprises. So the question here is More Threads Hong Kong listing a solid sign that China's domestic GPU makers are becoming commercially self-sustaining businesses, or are they mostly a capital-raising move riding a state-driven localization wave that won't stay in this hot forever? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.